When smart appliance lighthouse factories redefine home appliance manufacturing, and CATL revolutionizes battery production with digital twins, it's time for a digital and intelligent revolution in the heat pump industry, led by Newntide. As a leading brand in the air source heat pump industry, and the #1 professional inverter heat pump brand in China, Newntide is joining hands with SIE Information and INNOLUX to build the first digital and intelligent factory in the industry. By harnessing data to reshape our production systems, and enabling smarter business decision-making, Newntide is opening a new chapter in its journey toward digital and intelligent transformation. Faced with challenges like fluctuating order schedules, material anomalies, inventory backlogs, and efficiency bottlenecks, Newntide Smart Factory delivers effective solutions, driven by 3 core technology pillars. We optimize both quality and cost. Empowered by technology, process, and culture, we've built a production model driven by orders, data, and continuous improvement, optimizing quality, efficiency, and cost. We achieve data transparency across orders, delivery, and services, enabling seamless digital collaboration. We also implement comprehensive product lifecycle traceability management, reinforcing our commitment to quality. Automated logistics and material distribution systems ensure precise and timely delivery. 53% of production processes are automated with digital and automated systems working together. With 2 major production bases, 5 technology platforms, and 6 business portals interconnected, we've achieved transformative breakthroughs in order management, delivery, service, quality, and operations. A highly efficient, innovation-driven, and digitally intelligent factory. This marks the first full-scale digital transformation in the heat pump industry, and Newentide's answer to China's high-quality manufacturing goals. By integrating IoT with AI algorithms, we optimize the energy use of equipment in real time. Through waste heat recovery and water recycling, we've achieved up to 20% energy savings. And digital quality control systems cover 80% of processes. Every product we create is designed with sustainability in mind, making China's dual carbon goals a reality on our production lines. With a 500,000 square meter smart factory and an annual output value exceeding 10 billion yuan, Newntide is building the lighthouse factory in the heat pump industry. From order to delivery, from manufacturing to service, when clean energy meets digital intelligence, we are shaping a more agile green manufacturing system, a smarter energy service ecosystem, and a greener Chinese solution. As the first fully digitalized smart factory in the industry, Newntide is setting a new standard for Chinese smart manufacturing.